Welcome to our video dedicated to the vibrant and evocative world of Paul Gauguin, one of the most influential and enigmatic artists of the post-impressionist movement. Gauguin's work is renowned for its bold use of color, symbolic imagery, and exploration of exotic themes. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in some of his most beautiful and iconic paintings, each a testament to his unique vision and artistic brilliance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to transform your space with unique and stylish wall art, be sure to check out our sponsor, the Luxury Art Collection. The Luxury Art Collection offers an amazing selection of wall art pieces that will add a touch of elegance and personality to any room in your home. Whether you love soothing landscapes, vibrant abstract works, or inspiring photographs, you're sure to find something that suits your style. To explore all their stunning creations, click on the link in the description and get inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below letting me know which wall art piece you love the most. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon in the next video.